many of the students have worked with Sabyasachi, Gaurav Gupta.
But
Yeah, you
whatever
can just
you can.
explore. They do not ask you to just leave the classroom or anything. There are classrooms you can just go and sit.
Zara or CK? And you have to choose only one.
Since I am working with
What inspired you to pursue fashion designing at first place?
in college, fashion designing, most of the people are like, ये तो सिर्फ सिलाई करेगी.
Hello and welcome to Fashion Diaries, where we bring you inspiring stories from the world of design. Today we have with us talented fashion design student from VCD College of Design, who has not only worked with Zara but in future she will be working with many brands. Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger, a dream for many designers. Let's hear her journey, her experiences at VCD and her vision for the future of fashion. So first, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Princey and I'm working as a visual commercial at Zara Inditex at Palladium, Ahmedabad.
So how does VCD encourage students to build their portfolios for bigger brands?
So like in VCD, we have very good mentors who always support us, have a very friendly nature. We can ask anything to them. They are always there. They are always supportive.
Available, yeah.
Available, yes. And many of the students have worked with Sabyasachi, Gaurav Gupta, big designers. Yeah, yes. And there are many opportunities for fashion show as well. And they do draping sessions and everything in the college and are very supportive. Like for portfolios and everything, you get special training and all. So yeah.
Okay. Where do you usually find your inspiration while designing a collection or a piece?
Okay, so basically like when I design, it's all of my surroundings. Like when I'm sitting over here, it can be a pencil, it can be a leaf, anything. But it depends on the person, like it depends on person to person. If you're taking a leaf, but how you are using it.
I think ideas are more
Yeah,
important.
ideas are more. You should be creative. Your mind should be observing what things you observe. Like, see, the leaf everybody observes.
Yeah.
सब उस leaf को देखते हैं, but then how you see it, how creative you are taking that leaf, so that depends on it. So I usually see what the things are around me or anything which I'm observing by passing through any road or anything like that.
So being a designing student also, maybe creativity is just about how you perceive anything or how you visualize
Yes,
things.
actually observation skills are the must in creative field. Yes.
What inspired you to pursue fashion designing at first place?
So like basically from my childhood I am driven towards fashion. It's
Okay.
like I need to change my clothes like this. I change it like 3 times a day. It's like I have to go somewhere, I'm very excited, like from like 3 days that I have to go over there. Before 3 days I'm like मुझे ये पहनना है, मुझे वो पहनना है. So it's like from childhood
So the
only.
excitement is
हाँ,
real.
excitement is real. So like when I was coming over here, it was like अब मैं कल क्या पहनूंगी, मुझे क्या पहनना है, मुझे क्या करना है. So it's like that. So from like when I just ended my schooling and I was like अभी मुझे fashion designing करना है. So it's Corona period was going on and VCD was the best college in Udaipur. So I just chose VCD that like to grow myself more deeply in fashion designing. Yes.
What has been the proudest moment of your journey so far?
So like I'll tell you, when I was in college, fashion designing, most of the people are like, ये तो सिर्फ सिलाई करेगी या boutique लगा देगी. Most of the people have this mentality. When I was doing fashion designing, before fashion designing, when I was in my school, I went to Ahmedabad and I was passing through that, and this is the real incident which happened with me.
Okay.
I was passing through that highway and Palladium was building over there and I was like, उधर सारे बड़े बड़े brands के tag लगे हुए थे and I was like telling my father कि मुझे ना इस brand से shopping करना है पापा. And after 3 to 4 years when I went for my internship in Ahmedabad and suddenly I was working with Jack and Jones and I get to know that my selection has been done in Zara and I was like, oh my god, what has just happened. And it was like a dream coming true for me because Zara जब college में थे ना, we used to just listen कि Zara पहनना है, Zara पहन लिया, but working with such a brand is like very big thing for me. So that is the
So
proudest
your
moment.
manifestation.
Yeah, it is true. When you manifest now, that comes true. That is so true.
Okay, so a very important question. Why did you choose VCD?
So as I mentioned it that VCD is the only government affiliated college in Udaipur and the mentors over there, when I started my fashion designing, I was not bit liking it, but then gradually with the mentors and all, they made me feel so comfortable over there. The environment is so friendly. There is no time limit for a student to work over there. It's like you can use your time, you can sit
just
over there.
explore
Yeah,
whatever
you can
you
just
can.
explore. They do not ask you to just leave the classroom or anything. There are classrooms you can just go and sit you yourself alone can also sit and do. There is no like such foundation for any student over there. That is a very big thing, because a creative mind needs exploration.
Yeah.
So that's a very good thing over there. And even whenever you go with a doubt with to your mentor, like they are always supportive. They are like, okay, I'll tell you 100 times, but the student should have that thing to learn. So
Yeah.
it's like that. So that's why.
So how has fashion design as a career changed you personally?
Fashion design as a career, see, again, people think that it is just for a boutique or anything, but then fashion brings confidence. That I can say, when you dress good, confidence automatically comes. It's like when you're dressing good, you feel comfortable, you see yourself in a mirror and you are like, now I am perfect. And when you go with that confidence, when you walk with that confidence, fashion brings confidence. This is the only thing which I have learned from fashion. And I have got, like, personally, when I started as an internship, I heard a lot in my internship. It was like, ye kar le, wo kar le. They are like this. But then gradually I got like sharpen up with my things, and now it's like when I do work, there is a neatness in that which I can see. I have learned with my internships, my college and everything, and now I can see the cleanliness which I work. So that's the main thing that has changed in me. I used to like work very roughly, but now I do very systematic work.
So proper fashion design career also makes you learn many things,
Many
like
things.
details,
Yeah, detailing
the
very much.
intricacies which
Yes,
overall
yes.
goes through the process.
Agreed, totally agreed. You get like very much sharpened with details, small details. Like, because fashion is, again, if you can observe that small detail, that is why you're called a fashion designer. No, if everybody can observe that detail, so there's no like difference between you and them. So it's like that. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the second segment, Princy Rathore, and we will be playing in this segment this or that.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Designing clothes or styling looks?
I would go for styling looks. See, designing clothes, for like, from my side, it's like design if you're wearing some design, but it's not styled properly. So then there is no mean of
वो
that.
खुद को ही अच्छा
खुद
नहीं
को ही
लगता।
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, हाँ. But then आप खुद एक normal सा एक t-shirt भी ले लो, but you're styling it with a good pair of jeans, a shoe, that makes it classy. So I think styling looks is much better.
Neutral tones or vibrant colors?
I would go for neutral tones, because it's like neutral tones are something whenever, if you are overdressed or underdressed, neutral tones are for like every time. It's like आप कहीं पे भी पहन के चले जाओ, आपको कभी भी ना overdress लगेगा ना underdress लगेगा, because वो tones ही ऐसे होते हैं ना, वो हर background से match कर जाते हैं. तो I go for neutral tones.
Okay. Designing bridal wear or western wear?
Again, western wear. Because see, I'm working with a western brand only, and since I have been working, I'm working with western brands only. Bridal में college में भी I was not having that much interest. We had a fashion show where we had Indian brides and western brides. So I was the person who chose the western bride, because I want to like work for western only. My taste is like more of western than Indian.
So do you think कि अगर इंडियन में जाओगे या इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल कुछ ऐसा ट्राई करोगे तो you would excel in that?
See, maybe I think my style and my draping styles and everything is more western. If I do Indian, I can give a western touch in that as well. That is my thing. So it's like that.
तो वो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा
आ ही
रहेगा
जाता है, मतलब आ ही जाता है. When I dress up myself also ना, when I do makeup, if I'm wearing ethnic but I do the western makeup, it's like that. It happens with me.
So this comes with practicing.
Yeah, practicing, very much practicing. For like, I think who are the Indian designers, they are very dedicated. They need patience, because if you are designing a lehenga, you need to go for every small detail. In western wear, you can do anything. If you cut a sleeve, that is a style.
yeah.
But in a blouse, you can't do that. Na, it's something that should look symmetric. So it's like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Design exhibition or fashion shows?
Fashion show.
Always.
Always fashion show. It's like design exhibitions are always good, but see, in design exhibitions, it's like the garment is placed on a mannequin or in a hanger, but when you see it at a ramp, you see how it is presented,
How the model is walking.
how the model is walking, how the garment will look after wearing, or anything, like how the makeup goes, how the styling goes, how the
So
shoes
physically,
go.
that is presentable.
Yes, that is presentable. And when the garment comes na, there is a grace. So the grace, when you see na, that is the time when you
That is
think,
the sparkle in the eye.
I need this garment, or I want to make something like this. Like many designers, when we see Lakme and anything, like everything over there, we just select the garment like on the ramp only. Na? So it's like that. I mostly prefer fashion shows over design exhibitions. So it's like that. Yeah.
Okay, so this one's difficult. Zara or CK? And you have to choose only one.
How can I choose like one? see, both the brands are amazing. Like, so I'll be choosing Zara only, of course, because CK is for like briefs mostly.
Okay.
People choose it for briefs, and it has a taste of customers,
Yeah.
but then again very subtle customers. Zara is fast fashion. It has, like, you will see every third day we have an updated collection in that.
Yeah.
So people are like, every third day they come and they're like, क्या नया है बताओ क्या नया है. Do people in
तो excitement भी
excitement
है,
रहता है,
हाँ.
yes, and with colors and everything you'll see very good colors in Zara, and the collection which is walking on the ramp, the next day you'll see it in Zara. It's like that, this fast,
quick.
yeah, this quick, yes. And in CK it's monotonous, limited colors,
Subtle
limited,
colours,
yeah, limited
yeah.
options. Polo t-shirts is the option, the major option, and then again the round neck t-shirt. But in Zara you'll have tank, distressed tanks, again then ripped jeans, and many painted articles,
So
and
mixed
all.
collection.
Yeah, very much mixed collection, and there is like the age group is divided, so like you get
Yeah.
every type of people
that
over
is the
there.
main
That
important
is the
thing.
main concern, yeah. And udhar it's like limited customers. It's for like preference who want to just wear like that ना, they go over there.
Also regular customers भी हो सकते हैं CK
Regular
में.
customers, yes, वहाँ पे regular customer ही होते हैं,
हाँ.
because it's like the fit and the quality. People who just want to wear the same every time, so it's like they go to CK. And for experimental people it's Zara.
Yeah.
So it's like I will go for Zara.
So your story will definitely inspire many young designers so that they can keep up with their craft and achieve their goals.
Yeah, I definitely want like many people to grow and shine in fashion designing, because everybody has a very bad mindset for that. And living in a small city like Udaipur, I need that many people like grow in this field. It's like a very good field. It is a very devastating field. It's the second industry for all over India and in the world also. So it's like people have very good scope in this. If they think there is no future in fashion, there is nothing like this. There are many fields in
I
fashion.
think dedication is
Dedication is the most important thing. Yeah, if you want to be a doctor also, you need dedication.
Yeah.
So it goes for same. Goes same for this. If you need if you have dedication, you can achieve anything. So it's like that.
Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your incredible journey from VCD College to international brand offices.
Thank you so much. It was great being here. Thank you.
To everyone listening, until next time, keep creating, keep believing. Tata, bye bye.